Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube video, and in this video we are going to solve this particular integral, that is integration of x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square dx. So the first thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to assign this a variable so that the value of I is equal to integration of x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square d of x. Now the first thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of match the numerator and the denominator in order to cancel out some of the common terms. So I'll write this as integration of this 2 here can be written as 1 plus 1, and then this is divided by x plus 1 whole square d of x. Now clearly after this what we can do is we can kind of group this inside one bracket and this inside the second, and then kind of shift the brackets. So that means I would be equal to integration of x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square inside one bracket plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square bracket closed in dx. Now using the distributive property, we'll separate both these terms. So the first integral would be x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square d of x. Let's place inside the bracket plus integration of 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square d of x. So now x plus 1 gets cancelled out from here. So that means we now have I is equal to integration of 1 divided by x plus 1 d of x and plus integration of 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square d of x. So now if you notice, we now have a situation where we can directly apply the particular formula over here. So now integration of 1 upon x dx is technically log of x. So this first part here, that is I, becomes log of modulus x plus 1, and in this we'll apply the formula of 1 upon x to the power n. So this would be plus x plus 1 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, and the reason is that we are the formula that we are applying is x raised to the power n dx can be written as x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is a very basic formula that we have applied in the second part over here. So that means when you solve this, what you get is log of x plus 1, and when you solve this part over here, this would be minus 1, so write this as minus, and this is raised to the power minus 1, so this would be 1 divided by x plus 1 plus c, and this right here is the final answer that we were looking for. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.